So let's dive into the fascinating world of Dallol and explore its unique geological features. This place is truly a marvel to behold, with its colorful hydrothermal pools, intricate salt formations, and bizarre volcanic structures. It's no wonder that many people describe it as a landscape that resembles an alien planet. One of the most striking features of Dallol is its vibrant hydrothermal pools. These pools are created by hot water that rises from the Earth's crust and mixes with salt deposits on the surface. The resulting chemical reactions produce a dazzling array of colors, ranging from bright yellows and greens to vivid blues and reds. The pools themselves vary in size and shape, creating an otherworldly mosaic of color that would leave anyone in awe. In addition to these colorful pools, Dallol is also home to some truly unique salt formations. Over time, the hot water that rises from the Earth's crust dissolves the salt deposits in the area, causing them to recrystallize in fascinating ways. As a result, you'll find stunning salt chimneys that rise from the ground, as well as intricate patterns of salt crystals that form a crust over the landscape. These formations truly make Dallol look like something straight out of a science fiction movie. But of course, we can't forget about the volcanic structures in Dallol. The area is actually part of the Danakil Depression, which is one of the lowest and hottest places on Earth. It's also located near the Il volcanic range, which means that volcanic activity plays a significant role in shaping the landscape. In fact, the last volcanic eruption in Dallol occurred in 1926, leaving behind a legacy of volcanic cones and craters that further add to the area's alien-like appearance. In summary, Dallol's unique geological features, such as its colorful hydrothermal pools, salt formations, and volcanic structures, create a landscape that truly resembles an alien planet. It's a place where the forces of nature combine in the most extraordinary ways, resulting in a breathtaking and otherworldly environment that is unlike any other on Earth. Now that we've explored the unique geological features of Dallol, let's delve into the extreme environmental conditions that make this place one of the most inhospitable on Earth. With its high temperatures, acidity, and salinity, Dallol truly pushes the boundaries of what life can endure. First, let's talk about the scorching temperatures in Dallol. Being part of the Danakil Depression, which is one of the lowest and hottest places on Earth, Dallol experiences average annual temperatures, around 94 degrees Fahrenheit. However, during the hottest months, the temperatures can soar to an astonishing 116 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the hottest inhabited places on the planet. These extreme temperatures are not only challenging for human visitors, but also for any form of life trying to survive in this harsh environment. Next, let's discuss the acidity levels in Dallol. The hydrothermal pools that we mentioned earlier, with their vibrant colors, are not just a visual spectacle, but also a testament to the extreme acidity in the area. The water in these pools is highly acidic, with pH levels as low as 0.2. To put that into perspective, that's even more acidic than stomach acid. This level of acidity poses significant challenges for any life forms trying to survive in the pools and the surrounding landscape. Finally, we have to mention the high salinity levels in Dallol. The area's geothermal activity causes the salt deposits to dissolve and recrystallize, creating the intricate salt formations we talked about earlier. But this process also results in extremely saline water, with salt concentrations that can be up to 10 times higher than seawater. This hyper-saline environment makes it difficult for most life forms to survive, as the high salt content can cause cells to dehydrate and die. In conclusion, the extreme environmental conditions in Dallol, such as its high temperatures, acidity, and salinity, make it one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. These challenging conditions push the limits of life, offering us a unique opportunity to study how life can adapt and survive in some of the most extreme environments imaginable. Now that we've discussed the unique geological features and extreme environmental conditions of Dallol, let's dive into the fascinating world of microbial life that manages to survive in this hostile environment. The existence of these microscopic organisms provides us with valuable insights into the limits of life and the potential for extraterrestrial life on planets with similar conditions. In Dallol's extreme conditions, with its scorching temperatures, high acidity, and hyper-saline water, one might assume that life would be nearly impossible. However, against all odds, researchers have discovered various types of microorganisms that are capable of surviving and even thriving in this harsh environment. These extremophiles, as they are called, are mostly bacteria and archaea that have adapted to withstand the challenging conditions. So how do these microorganisms manage to survive in Dallol? Well, they have developed unique strategies to cope with the extreme environment. For example, some of these microorganisms are capable of withstanding high temperatures by producing heat shock proteins that protect their internal structures. Others have developed special mechanisms to maintain their cellular functions in the presence of high salt concentrations or acidic conditions. The discovery of microbial life in Dallol's hostile environment has significant implications for our understanding of the limits of life on Earth and beyond. If these hardy microorganisms can survive in such extreme conditions, it raises the possibility that life could exist on other planets with similar environments. For instance, scientists have found evidence of hydrothermal systems on Mars and Saturn's moon Enceladus, which could potentially harbor extremophiles like those found in Dallol. In conclusion, the microbial life that survives in Dallol's hostile environment offers valuable insights into the limits of life and the potential for extraterrestrial life on planets with similar conditions. These extremophiles challenge our understanding of what it takes for life to thrive and open up new possibilities for the search for life beyond Earth. Now that we've explored the fascinating microbial life in Dallol, let's turn our attention to the role of geothermal activity in shaping this unique landscape and its implications for geothermal energy resources. Geothermal activity plays a crucial role in the formation of Dallol's otherworldly landscapes. The area is part of the Danakil Depression, which is located near the junction of three tectonic plates. This tectonic setting results in a thinning of the Earth's crust, allowing heat from the mantle to rise closer to the surface. Consequently, hot water and steam rise from the Earth's crust, dissolving and interacting with the abundant salt deposits in the area. As we discussed earlier, this process leads to the formation of Dallol's stunning hydrothermal pools, with their vibrant colors and extreme acidity. It also contributes to the intricate salt formations and volcanic structures that give Dallol its alien-like appearance. Without the geothermal activity, Dallol would not possess its incredible geological features that make it so unique and captivating. Now let's consider the implications of Dallol's geothermal activity for geothermal energy resources. Geothermal energy is a renewable and sustainable energy source that harnesses the heat from the Earth's interior to generate electricity. In regions with significant geothermal activity, like Dallol, the potential for utilizing geothermal energy is particularly high. However, it's essential to keep in mind that Dallol's extreme environmental conditions, such as its high temperatures, acidity, and salinity, pose significant challenges for the development of geothermal energy facilities. Researchers and engineers would need to develop innovative solutions to overcome these challenges and harness the geothermal potential of the area safely and efficiently. In conclusion, Dallol's geothermal activity plays a vital role in the formation of its unusual landscapes, and it holds potential for geothermal energy resources. However, the extreme conditions in the area also present challenges that must be addressed to make the most of this renewable energy source. The study of Dallol's unique environment can provide valuable insights into the possibilities and limitations of harnessing geothermal energy in such extreme settings. As we wrap up our exploration of Dallol, let's take a moment to appreciate the cultural and historical significance of this remarkable area, including its past as a potash mining site and the challenges faced by the local Afar people who live nearby. First, let's delve into the history of potash mining in Dallol. Potash is a valuable mineral used primarily as a fertilizer, and Dallol's unique geology has resulted in substantial deposits of potash salts. In the early 20th century, the area was a bustling mining site, with companies extracting potash to meet the growing demand for agricultural fertilizers. However, due to the extreme environmental conditions and logistical challenges, mining operations eventually ceased in the mid-20th century. Today, the remnants of this mining history can still be seen in the form of abandoned infrastructure and equipment scattered throughout the area. Now, let's discuss the local Afar people who live in the vicinity of Dallol. The Afar people are a nomadic ethnic group that inhabits the Horn of Africa, including parts of Ethiopia, Eritrea, and Djibouti. They have adapted to the harsh conditions of the Danakil Depression and have developed a unique culture centered around livestock, herding, and salt mining. For generations, the Afar people have extracted salt from the vast salt flats in the region, transporting it by camel caravan to markets in Ethiopia and beyond. However, the Afar people face numerous challenges in their daily lives, including the harsh environment with its extreme heat, scarce water resources, and limited arable land. Additionally, they must navigate the political and economic complexities of living near the borders of 3 countries, as well as potential conflicts with other ethnic groups in the region. Despite these challenges, the Afar people demonstrate incredible resilience and resourcefulness, maintaining their traditional way of life and cultural identity in one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. In conclusion, Dallol's cultural and historical significance extends beyond its alien-like landscapes and extreme environmental conditions. Its past as a potash mining site and the enduring presence of the local Afar people provide a fascinating glimpse into the human story that is unfolded in this remarkable corner of our planet.